Assalamu alaikum to everyone. My name is Education Krishnawadi and 30 years old and student at Han School Online Academy Foundation Level Batch 6. And today I want to talk about the TEDx talk of Minna Tariq. And the TEDx talk topic is how to invest in yourself. So let's start. Minna Tariq is a venture capitalist and ecosystem builder based in Pakistan. She has worked with startup accelerators, advised entrepreneurship programs, especially for women, and has many startups both succeed and fail. In this talk, delivered at TEDx Islamabad, she draws from her own journey, starting from early entrepreneurial attempts to managing business failures to becoming a partner in a VC firm to teach that investing in yourself really means the core message is your greatest asset is you. Investing in yourself, ideas, skills, mindset is more valuable than focusing only on financial or external gains. Mean challenges conventional ideas about success and failure. She says that failure are not the opposite of success, but rather part of the path. Each setback contributes to growth. She emphasized self belief, how early confidence can fade, how doubts creep in, and how one must find ways to ignite belief in one own ideas and identify. Mina begins by recounting her childhood business experiments, selling lemonade, henna, art, photography, etc. She shares how young she left and was well at age 24. She describes a low moment of self-doubt, feeling that her ideas might not be worth anything. That contrast sets the theme of investing in oneself even when external validation is absent. She talks about her strength of business failure, what she learned from them, how each failure taught her something important about risk, about what matters, about resilience, about emphasizes that many people fear failure so much that they avoid trying, but that avoidance costs far more than trying and failing. Investing in ideas, even when scared, Mina encourages doing this that seems small or low risk, but which build our capacity, knowledge, confidence. She discussed investing in continuous learning, reading, doing experimenting, also aligning with people and environments that support growth. She highlights how society was discouraged invention or non-traditional paths. There is often pressure to pick a stable career to conform, but she suggests that frequently reinventing yourself, exploring diverse ideas, and being authentic make you unique. A key shift she suggests is to change how one measures worth not only by external success but by how much time and effort you put into becoming a better, more authentic version of yourself. Um, Taking small, consistent steps rather than waiting to perfect opportunities, accepting discomfort, uncertainty, and fear as part of growth. Bracing failure, reflecting on what worked and what did not. Mina argues that investing in yourself is not selfish. When you grow, you create value for others, whether through whether through mentoring, building startups, or helping women through mentoring, building startups, helping women entrepreneurs, contributing to your ecosystem. She points out her own shift from trying to prove herself to focusing on how she can enable others, building for frameworks, programs, funds that help more people invest in themselves. She ends by reminding us that the real return on investing in yourself is not always visible immediately. Sometimes and who you become more than what you achieve. She calls the audience to be patient with themselves, to trust their ideas, and to keep investing in curiosity, in learning, in risk, in self belief. Recognize that you are your biggest asset. Cultivating your skills, mindset, and ideas is the foundation. Failure is not shameful, it's a part of growth. Don't avoid failure, use it. Self doubt is normal. Reignite your confidence by small wins, experiment, and staying aligned to your values. Learning is lifelong. Invest in continuous learning and in reinvention. Surround yourself with supportive environments, mentor peers, networks that help you grow. Find meaning beyond profit, serve other build for community. Success is authenticity and growth, not only external metrics, because many people, especially young entrepreneurs or early career individuals, struggle with self worth, fear of failure, pressure to conform. These are universal challenges. Many story shows concrete example from Pakistani ecosystem. Relatable for listeners in similar contexts. It inspires action, not just reflection, but practical habit building, mindset shifts. Ultimately, it offers hope that investing in yourself can have ripple effect. Your growth can enable others change communities.